And the next step, to get the cat. Now. In the enemy's gut, guys. It's been a day, hasn't it? Yep. And he should be back to normal. Oh! I don't want to get up. That's okay, you don't have to, because we can shock you as you're laying down. Wait, no! Please stop. Please. And then tell us, where are they? I'll never tell you. You can taste me all you want, but I'll never tell you. I'll never. Shock me if you can. Go extreme. Literally break off the level thing and go super extreme. Wait. He can't take much more of this before he dies. Okay, I'll tell you. They're on the road to Ricochet Mountain. Ricochet? No, I made that up. They're not at Ricochet Mountain. The mountain was actually... It's Bunny Mountain. They're on the way to it. Good. You may keep him in the cell that he's tucked. Wait, let me out. No. You want me to let you out? I'll use the hand. Okay, please, no. Meanwhile, back on the way to Minion Land. Hey guys, did I ever tell you something? Trust no one. Oh my goodness. That gets very annoying. Oh guys, I found a way we can go to the enemy's quarters. Wait, now we can? Yes, we can. They take us, come on. They traveled to the enemy's quarters. Among Us stickers all go right there. And pins, they all go in one place. We're here at the enemy's quarters. Guys, you saved me. You finally saved me. And taste him. No. King Bob. What the? Leave him alone. Okay, sorry. Ow. Hey, Tim. It's Tom. It's Tim. Tom. Stop, Tim, Tom. Ow. We saved you. Get back. Hey, we don't want much from you. We just want the Power Moon and the cat. That cat has abilities and capabilities you don't know of. Actually, I think I better reveal my name to you guys. I'm a boy, so it's not Lily Goggles. What? I April Fooled you. But I like goggles. It's literally nowhere near April Fool's. Oh, we're still in April, but hey. Mom, I have capabilities. Astronaut pack. Yep, that was one of the abilities. Up in the air. Thank you, cat. Help me, please. Come on. Energetic force field. Boom. What happened to them? Oh, they're shocked. And I don't mean literally shocked, but they're shocked and they'll be shocked for a little bit. Okay. Now the next step is to get the Power Moon. To be continued.